Remember to like and subscribe.
Cannot lah, this guy! So drama!
Loft Home is your one-stop shop for quality furniture and design inspiration for your home. Quote CNH50 to get a 5% discount when you shop at Loft Home today.
Hi, Crazy Nice Homes.
Welcome to our house. Hello, I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Shakir.
We both live in Bedok.
This is a 4-room resale HDB flat.
And it's roughly 978 square feet.
This is a 40 plus years old resale HDB. There's only one toilet, one shower and one toilet area. So we actually hacked the wall in between and we actually extended the wall into the kitchen a little bit. And also our toilet, it links into the master bedroom, or rather the walk-in wardrobe.
Because we had a lot of pipings in the middle, so if you wanted a shower area with the toilet, this piping will create quite a bit of obstruction. So our ID decided to box it up. So I think it came nicely, so we can put our shampoos, our conditioners, everything. We initially had 3 bedrooms. We hacked into sort of 4. If we include the walk-in wardrobe. So I told him, okay, I need a walk-in wardrobe. And then he said, okay, I need a studio for... so I think we worked it out. So I think we decided to break the 4 rooms into 3. So he had his studio, like for him to edit his stuff and do his work. Then I had my walk-in wardrobe, I had my vanity area. We spoke to other IDs and we wanted this mirror, this whole mirror concept. I think we had a few IDs that told us, oh, can, you can do this, you can do that.
Actually, we wanted for the mirror to go all the way up to the ceiling.
When we met Sufan, she straight away told us oh okay, actually this one cannot because it won't be able to fit the HDB lift. Rather than telling us can, and then during the process you tell us cannot and then add unnecessary costs. And at least she was comfortable enough to tell us, okay, this one cannot. I think that's how we decided to go ahead with our ID. Yeah. So basically, if you see our sofa, our console table, our coffee table, dining table, chairs, the bench that we're sitting on, as well as the bar table and the stools, they're all from Loft Home. I think they're really the more affordable option, especially when we spend so much on our renovation already. So furniture was something that we needed to cut down a little bit on. We spent about 3,000 plus. I mean, 3,000 for everything is really quite affordable. Try to plan in advance. We ordered 6 to 8 weeks before we moved in. So at least when we moved in, everything just comes in nicely. After service was very good as well because actually we had this little incident with our sofa. We realized that the bottom of the wood that's supporting the sofa was broke. When I texted them to ask them about it, they were quite fast. I think within a few days they came to collect the broken part. They went to fix it and came back with a new part of the sofa without any cost. Yeah, so I think that was great.
So what's your favorite part of the house?
You lah! No lah, actually, honestly, I like my walk-in wardrobe. I think that was something that I always wanted since I was young. Your favorite part of the house?
So of course, overall, I love the house. I love coming back home, spending time at home. I don't like to go out anymore. I spend all my days at home. And of course, I enjoy spending time in my study room, editing photos, listening to music and stuff like that.
Why the glass? I think it kind of creates this bigger space. So it makes the house look bigger also with with the window, it's an open space. Then you can look at me also when he do his work. Yeah. Thank you for watching this episode.
And remember to click like and subscribe.
And click on the notification bell for the latest videos. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.